Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video we're going to cover Hall's analytical model. So it is basically the Leper's tourism system. We all know we had different elements of Leper's tourism system. Now Hall has basically established the relationships between different elements of the Leper's tourism system. Here you can spot tourist generating region, that was TGR of Leper's geographical element. Okay, TDR we have, and this is root region. So we have same three geographical elements: TGR, TDR, and TRR. Now Hall has established a relationship between all these elements. First, TGR that we have, okay, so he has given two elements to the TGR region: psychological element and industrial element. Now in psychological element we will have decision, okay, tourist, that is the potential tourist, the demand. Okay, so the demand for tourism mobility, his behavioral setting has been explained by Hall in this column. You can see there are culture and life course, motivations, accessibility, information, past experiences, preferences, expectation, image of the destination, activities and experiences of a person. Okay, so all these things will shape the demand. So it will give a behavioral setting for the demand. So the first TGR will have some motivation, some decision to travel, that will be influenced by all these factors. Okay, so this will affect the traveler. This will affect the demand. There will be influences of global and local tourism consumption. Okay, then he will go to the route reason. Route reason, he will have travel to destination, he will travel. Now in this stage he will have some infrastructure, industrial element, that is transport, transit route infrastructure like highways, cafes, restaurants. Okay, so what will happen here? Impact will happen. The tourist will spend some money on buying product and services on the way, so that will impact the local economy through the routes, through the spot where he will stop. Okay, so that is the route reason where he will have some impact. And in destination reason we have industry. Okay, we have restaurant, we have information services, we have attractions, we have retailing, we have event and convention meetings, we have different industry, infrastructure we will have, labor we will have, okay, capital we will have. So we will have attractions of tourism and destination, the resource base, the regulatory structure. And here the tourist will impact this region. Either environmental impact will be there, socio-cultural impact will be there, okay, political impact may occur. So basically maybe there will happen, as you can see here in psychological element we have behavioral activities. Okay, there will be interaction between guest and host, so there can always be some impact, like host is copying the lifestyle of the tourist, so that is demonstration effect. When local population, when the host population is copying, is aping the culture of the tourist, that is demonstration effect. So here will happen demonstration effect, here will happen some impacts on economy, on culture, on society, on environment. Okay, and there will be some influences on tourism production also, like more number of tourists, more services to be given to them. Okay, and also destination service providers will also influence the tourist. Getting back, after he will be going back to his home, he will again go to TRR, that is transit route region, and same things will happen. Now here in transit route, the destinations marketing strategies, the firm that is seeking to influence the consumption of all stages of travel, so it will also influence those stages. Okay, like now, in the generating region, he will be recollecting all the memories he has, all the experiences he had on his tour. Now, he will try to, recollect those memories through photos, through pictures, through, so that will also influence, that can also influence the tourist. Like here we will have a reverse demonstration effect. Demonstration effect was the local people are copying the tourist. Now reverse demonstration effect is after getting back home, his family, his family, the tourist will be influenced by the destination. Okay, so that is reverse demonstration effect. So there will be not only traveler but families, friends, and the communities and society that is there will be influenced by the destination, will be influenced by the experience of the tourist. Okay, and the destination promotional strategies, marketing strategies will influence the generating reason. So that is basically the Hall's analytical model. It is giving more understanding to the Lipper's tourism system, the tourism system defined by Lipper. He has basically established the various relationships among different elements of the Lipper's tourism system that gives us more understanding of the basic Lipper's tourism system that we had, whole tourism system. Now here we have the elements, the formal elements of the system in TGR, TRR and TDR. Now TDR will be having accommodation facilities, theme park, all the attractions and all the services that we have. And we will have airline, bus, railway car, airport, seaport, railway station in the TDR, in TRR. Okay, so in TGR we will be having retail travel agents, wholesale travel agents, tour operators through which he will book his tour, through which he will get some information about the destination. Okay, so there are different, you know, formal elements of the system from the different TGR, TRR, TDR that are written here, that we will be having. Okay, we will encounter tour operator, promotional channels, we will have some labor force at the destination. So all the formal setting, formal industry we will have at destination is written in this column, and in the route region that we will spot will be written, is written here, and in TGR what we will spot is written here. So all the elements, the formal elements, the formal industry that is there in tourism at different regions, at different elements is written in this slide, in this table. Okay, you can have a look at. Okay, like we will have ferry service, car hire service at TDRR. In TRR we may have some communication link between TGR and TDR. Okay, in TGR already said that there will be agents through which we will be booking our tour, and TDR we will be having the accommodations, the attractions, the theme parks, the national parks, the retail stores, the events and festivals, the casinos. Okay, so all that we will be having in TDR. So these are different elements, and the Hall's analytical model, it has given a clear picture to the basic TGR, TDR, TRR, three geographical elements of the tourism system given by Lipper. So he has given the relationships between these elements, that how this element is influencing this, and this element is influenced by the global and local tourism production and consumption, and it is giving we also talked about impact. So he has given, you know, through which we can also talk about the sustainability also through this system. So he has incorporated other aspects also that are not covered in the Lipper's tourism system. So that is Hall's analytical model. I hope you understand, I hope you like this video. Okay, thank you for watching this. Keep watching, keep supporting. Okay, have a great day.